name was Krishna Devaraya. In his court, there were many courtiers. Among them, Tenali Raman was his favorite courtier, and king used to give him expensive and beautiful gifts. To whom? Tenali Raman. This was known to thieves. There were many thieves who want to steal these gifts from Tenali Raman's house. One night, what happened? Tenali Raman and his wife were sitting in the garden. Tenali Raman's sharp eyes fall on the leaves of the bush. The leaves of the bush were shaking. Then Tenali Raman said whispered his wife that there were no wind, but also the leaves of the bush were shaking. So he came to know that the thieves were hiding behind the bush. So then he said to his wife, there were no wind also, the leaves of the bush were shaking. Then his wife also replied, yes, you are telling correct. The leaves of the bush are really shaking. And then Tenali Rama said to his wife, yes, might be thieves entered in our garden and they are waiting us to go to bed. Yes children, this was about the last class. Now in this class you are going to learn what is going to happen with Tenali Raman and thieves. Okay children, open your textbook page number 41 and 42 and keep finger as I read. Tenali Raman started talking loudly to his wife. You know, today I learned that thieves have been stealing from the houses of our neighbors. Yes, said his wife, all my friends are talking about it.
So children, when Tenali Raman saw the leaves of bush shaking, he came to know that the thieves entered in his garden. So he started talking loudly to his wife. To whom? To his wife. He said, I heard today in our neighborhood the thieves are stealing houses. His wife said, yes, I have also heard. All my friends are talking about the thief.
I am sure that the news about these robberies is correct. Come, let us go inside, pack up your jewels. We shall throw them in the well. They will be safe there. If the thieves come here, they will never find the jewels.
Then Tenali Raman said his wife that the news of these robberies is correct. Means the thieves are stealing the houses. This news is correct. Tenali Raman said to his wife. Then he said his wife, come, let's go inside and pack up your jewels. He got an idea. He said to his wife, after packing your jewels, we shall throw them in the well. The jewels will be safe there. The thieves will not come to know. If the thieves entered in our house also, they will never find the jewels. Said this to his wife. Who said? Tenali Raman. Have you understood children?
The thieves behind the bush heard every word. They smiled wickedly. They looked at each other and nodded their heads.
So children, when Tenali Raman and his wife talking loudly about the jewels where they are going to hide, this was known to thieves. How they came to know children? The thieves were hiding behind the bush. You can see in this picture the thieves are hiding behind the bush and they are listening each word carefully what Tenali Raman and his wife said. So they came to know that where they are going to hide the jewels. So they smiled wickedly. Wickedly means mischievously, and they looked at each other and they nodded their heads. Nodded their head means they shake their heads, that they came to know where Tenali Raman is going to hide the jewels. So they became very happy.
After a while, Tenali Raman and his wife came out of the house. They were carrying what looked like a very heavy box. They threw the box into the well. Then they went back into the house, got into their beds and went to sleep.
So children, after some time, Tenali Raman and his wife came out of the house. They were carrying a heavy box. You can see in this picture, children, they were carrying a heavy box. Then they threw it into the well. Earlier they said, no, they are going to hide the jewels into the well. After that, they went back to their house and go to sleep.
The thieves entered Tenali Raman's garden. They crept in on tiptoe. They had a bucket with them. They lowered the bucket into the well and began to draw out water. They drew out bucket after bucket. Nothing but water came out of the well. They poured the water onto the lawn and in the flower beds. At last, when they were really tired, they got the huge box out of the well. By this time, the first rays of the sun were shining on the garden. At last, they thought, now we shall take away all that is in the box and go home.
So children, after throwing box into the well, they went to sleep. Who went to sleep? Tenali Raman and his wife. On that night, thieves entered in Tenali Raman's garden. Slowly, they walked on tiptoe, on their toes, without making any noise. They went near the well. You can see in this picture, children, the thieves standing near the well. Why they went near the well? Because they knew the jewels were in the well. So they wanted to take it out from the well. But the well was full of water. So thieves were very clever, children. They had a bucket along with them. Why they brought a bucket? To draw out the water from the well. They dropped the bucket into the well and began to draw out the water. They started to draw out bucket after bucket. Nothing they got. Only water came out of the well. They poured the water onto the lawn. Lawn means grass, and in the flower beds. Okay. You can see in this picture. Finally, they got the box. They became very tired. They take out the huge box from the well. When they take out the huge box from the well, by that time the sun were shining on the garden. Means the sun raised. They felt happy that they got the box and now they can go to their...
They opened the box. What do you think they found? The box was full of rocks. They were so tired that they collapsed on the wet lawn. Tenali Raman and his wife, they looked at the thieves and smiled. They said, "Thank you so much." "For what?" said one of the thieves. "What have we done?" said the other. "You have helped us," said Tenali Raman's wife. "You have watered our garden," said Tenali Raman. The thieves stayed at Tenali and his wife. They got up tiredly. They held on to their aching backs and limped slowly out of the garden.
So children, finally the thieves got the box and they were very happy. Now when they opened the box, what happened? Can you guess, children, what they found in the box? So the box was full of rocks. Although the thieves are tired, when they saw this, they collapsed. Collapse means fall on the ground. When after getting tired or doing some work on the lawn or on the grass. At last, Tenali Raman and his wife came out and they looked at the thieves and began to laugh. Tenali Raman and his wife said, "Thank you so much to the thieves." One of the thieves said, "For what? For what you are telling thank you?" Then another one asked, what have we done? Means for what work we have done that you are telling thank you to us? Then Tenali Raman's wife said, "You have helped us." Tenali Raman said, "You have watered our garden. Since many days we did not water our garden." Both the thieves became angry. They stayed means seeing with wide open eyes, and they were so tired they are unable to walk. They hold their aching backs, means paining backs and paining legs, foot. Okay, they are walking slowly, and they ran away from Tenali Raman's garden. So you can see how Tenali Raman fooled the thieves.
So children, I hope you have enjoyed the story. Have you seen how Tenali Raman fooled the thieves? Okay, so here we end our story. Let me ask you some questions. What did Tenali Raman and his wife do? They threw a box full of stones into the well. What did the thieves do that night, children? They threw bucket after bucket of water out of the well. Next, what did Tenali Raman say to the thieves that next morning? Thank you for watering the garden. So children, here we end our session. Thank you.